What if I told you there's an AI that's better at writing, reasoning, and actually understanding you? You have probably heard about it by now, and it's called Claude. It's made by a company called Anthropic, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to use it, and why it might actually be better than ChatGPT for a lot of things. If you're completely new to AI, perfect. This is made for you. Let's get into it. First, what actually is Claude? Claude is an AI assistant, kind of like ChatGPT, but it's made by a company called Anthropic. Anthropic was actually founded by some of the same people who originally built ChatGPT, so these guys know what they're doing. You can use Claude to write things, answer questions, summarize documents, help you code, brainstorm ideas, basically anything you'd use ChatGPT for, but a lot of people find Claude's responses feel more natural and detailed. And the best part? You can use it completely for free at Claude.ai. No credit card. Just sign up and go. I'm on Claude.ai right now. This is the free version. Writing. Let's say you need to write an email to your boss asking for a day off. Watch how easy this is. Send the message, and after a moment, see that? In seconds. And you can tell it to make it more casual, shorter, longer. It just listens. Claude is also great at explaining things. Now let's say you want to understand something complicated. Let's ask it to explain how the stock market works. Like I'm 10 years old? This is why Claude is so good for learning. It doesn't just dump information at you, it actually explains things. Next, summarizing. You can also paste in a long article or document and just ask Claude to summarize it. This alone saves people hours every week. Just paste your text and say, summarize this in 5 bullet points. Done. Now you might be wondering, is the free version actually good enough? Yes, for most people, the free version is more than enough to get started. You get access to Claude. You can have full conversations, get help with writing, research, whatever you need. The paid version, called Claude Pro, gives you more messages, access to the most powerful model, and some extra features. But honestly, start free. You'll be impressed. So that's Claude, what it is, how to use it, and why people think it's one of the best free AI tools out there right now. If you found this helpful, subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming. Drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to use Claude for?